In today's video, I will be breaking down what the market did in the morning and how the market acted in correlation to my previous videos, as I did call out what happened today and what will probably continue to happen further down this week and or tomorrow, as it's the last day. And that's basically it. Let's get into it. So here is the daily on the left, weekly on the right. Daily, yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before yesterday. In my previous video, I stated that if the price goes above the 793 zone, then it should retest into that zone and it should come back up, and it did. It went above, opened up here, came back down, retested it, and shot back up and opened above the fast moving average. But that is not a retest we want. We want to see both the fast moving averages to break and close above this zone. So when it does truly come back and retest in this zone, it acts as a support level and a really strong support level, and we will see it retrace back up. That's what we want. This you can kind of say is a retest, but not really. We really want to see the fast moving averages break above and truly come back down and retest and see it shoot back up. That's what we want. On the weekly, we have that same zone. We have the fast moving average, the blue line, really in that candlestick on the weekly. So we know that this is acting as support. We have support here. If this goes down into this level from 790 to 756, then this is a huge support zone. And then if this kind of bases around here and does shoot up, that is truly our first sign that this will probably act as a really strong support zone. So far we are still looking for longs. We are still in an uptrend. We still have that divergence, so be aware of the divergence. It's still there. It hasn't gone away, but we are in an uptrend. We are looking for longs, so that's where we're at right now. And in my previous video, I did call out that if it came back above, it would have really good longs, and I'll show you a really good long trade you could have taken today. So let's get into that. Here we are on the 5-minute, 2-minute, and 1-minute chart. So on the 1-minute chart, I saw the momentum shift. I didn't take any trades today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to. I wasn't home in the morning. But we had the momentum shift upward on the 1-minute. We see that the fast moving averages retested the first moving averages, the bright green and the other two darker green moving averages, and we saw it come back up, close above the fast moving averages. We saw momentum shift downward, which is good, because if we do close above the momentum shift downward, this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here, we should have a good long signal. And what happened? We closed above all three of them. We could have taken it over here too if you really wanted to, and you would have gotten in your trade from, let's say, the close of this bar, which is 17,873, and that is the close of the momentum shifts downward. You have it kind of going along with the fast moving averages. Everything seems to be going upward. You have the energy over here on the 2-minute. This was at, on the 1-minute, it was at 749. 2-minute, if we try and find 749, which is right here, and you can see that it is basically right here is where we got in, or we would have got in. But if we look at it on the 2-minute, perfect, beautiful trade. You have the energy, the retracement or the re-entry signal on the oscillator. You have the close above the fast moving averages. There's gaps, they're all pointing upward. Good entry or good signal on the 2-minute. The 5-minute at 7:49 is around right here. Same thing. You have it shoot up really high above the momentum, shifts downward. You have it kind of like close around above the fast moving average. Everything's pointing upward. Another re-entry signal on the oscillator, good energy on the second oscillator. So all 3 time frames lined up, and you would have entered long at 73, or you would have entered at 70, 71, and you would not have gone stopped out until like the right over here, which would be 86. So 15 point trade. You could have gotten in a bit earlier if you wanted to take this entry from 47 to 86, but good long day, good trade. And yeah, that's basically what happened today. And like I said, looking for longs, sticking with the longs. We have the signals on the weekly and daily. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.